Dear audience friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the World Encyclopedia channel. I am your host and a scholar of how everything comes to be. Today, we are going to discuss a topic full of symbolic meaning, the origin of the 5 Olympic rings. What is the history and significance of the 5 Olympic rings, a symbol that can be seen in every Olympic Games? Let us trace its origins, understand its symbolic meaning, and feel its charm. The story of the Olympic rings begins with ancient Greece. Ancient Greece is the birthplace of the Olympic movement. The earliest Olympic Games can be traced back to 776 BC. The Olympic Games at that time were religious and sporting events held in honor of Zeus. However, as time passed, the ancient Olympic Games were abolished by the Roman Emperor Theodosius I in 393 AD, who considered them a pagan activity. The renaissance of the modern Olympics can be attributed to French educator Pierre de Coubertin. He restored the Olympic Games in 1896 and designed the Olympic rings logo in 1913. When Coubertin designed the 5 rings, he chose 5 colors: blue, yellow, black, green, and red. These colors could summarize the colors of the national flags of all countries at that time. The 5 rings symbolize the unity of the 5 continents, and athletes from all over the world meet at the Olympics with fair, frank competition and a friendly spirit. The colors and arrangement of the Olympic rings also have special meaning. The 5 interlocking rings represent the 5 continents. Blue represents Europe, yellow represents Asia, black represents Africa, green represents Oceania, and red represents the Americas. Although the official manual stated that the colors of the 5 rings symbolize the 5 continents, this statement was later removed because there was no evidence that Coubertin had such a meaning. The Olympic rings are not just a symbol, they are a symbol of the Olympic spirit. The interlocking rings symbolize the unity of the 5 continents and reflect the unity of people all over the world under the Olympic spirit. At the opening ceremony of every Olympic Games, the Olympic flag will be raised and the Olympic anthem will be played and sung, demonstrating this spirit of unity and friendship. Although the design of the Olympic rings is simple, it contains profound meaning. It not only symbolizes the arrival of the era of globalization, but also conveys peace, friendship, and sportsmanship. At every Olympic Games, athletes from all over the world gather together to demonstrate mankind's desire for excellence and unity and cooperation through fair competition and friendly exchanges. In addition, the 5 Olympic rings also represent the inheritance of sportsmanship. Coubertin once proposed the 3 core values of the Olympic spirit: faster, higher, and stronger. This is not only an inspiration to athletes, but also an inspiration to all mankind. By constantly challenging ourselves and pursuing excellence, we can achieve progress and achievements in various fields. The design of the Olympic rings is also constantly evolving and developing. Each Olympic Games will have an exclusive logo, symbolizing the spirit and characteristics of the event.